What does the character on the open circuit breaker mean? Do you guys understand? Welcome to watch Xiaokai's explanation. Let's take the open circuit breaker as an example. Here is its trademark. This is a separate trademark for the circuit breaker. Here is the model of the open circuit breaker, KMCB3P. 63A represents that we have a total of 3 circuits that can be switched on and off. Generally, the circuits are connected from top to bottom and disconnected at the same time. 3 sets of circuits are represented by C32C type, which is used for household purposes. Of course, there is also the D type, which represents the use of motors. It has better anti-surge performance. 32 represents 32A, which is commonly known as 32 kilowatts, the maximum current flowing upwards. To open is to disconnect off 6K, which represents the maximum breaking current for shock resistance within 60A and 308 OV AC. This is a maximum breaking current tested in a 30-degree environment. The 56 Hz above represents the frequency of the circuit. The 4 kV here represents the maximum breaking voltage of 40 VSS equals 50% ICU. These specifications ensure safe operation and protection against electrical hazards in various applications and environments. Running short circuit segmenting capability, ICS. The max limit segmenting ability, ICU, means that if we talk about the short circuiting ability during operation, it's 50% of the max limit segmenting ability. UEAC 208 represents its rated voltage. IEC and IEC are 2 standards, which are national standards for a segmenting device. The letters on the segmenting device represent their meanings. Do you understand the explanation, my friends? If you have different opinions or want to discuss in the comments, we'll provide a timely reply. Thank you for watching.